Hello everyone. Recently, I got this 2005 Acura TL. It's a beautiful car. Drives gorgeous. But there are some issues. One of the issue is the noise, the buzzing noise coming from the speakers, like that one dash speaker. Um, we, it won't have that noise until you start the engine. If you leave your engine stop, only turn on the radio or playing some music with the battery on, it won't buzz. But as soon as you turn on the engine, it sounds like a buzz. And when you rev it up, uh, there's a like pitch. The pitch will go along with the engine rev, so it's kind of annoying. And even my daughter and my wife complains about it. So what we're gonna do is first, for me, I test it out with first I just remove that dash speaker, try to exclude the root cause. All you need is a pry tool. I don't have it in my hand, but it's easy to get it from Amazon. You just use that plastic pry and pry from the side of the speaker, and it will pop it out. And there's a like a connector. It's easy to remove. There's a like a pin or something. You just pinch it. No, just to push it and just to pull it out. And when you remove that speaker, because the majority of the noise came from that speaker, so I removed that one and turn the engine on, turn the radio on. Somehow the noise came from the other speaker, and I removed that one as well, but the noise came from this one. So that's for sure not related to speakers. If you found the same thing, what I suspected, I read some threads online. I found probably come from your bad amplifier, which locates here. I just turn on the light. So all you need to do if you want to test it out, you need to get a new amplifier, maybe from eBay. I got it from eBay for like $100. If the change doesn't work, the replacement doesn't work, you can just return it. You only pay for the shipment. So you need a pry tool, put it here and just pull it out. And also you need to take off this panel, this plastic cover underneath your glove box. This one you don't need any tool. All you need is just put your fingers. There are 3 latches, one clips, one here, one here. And what I did was just stuck my finger into the gap and pull it. It won't damage anything. These are clips and they are metal. Don't worry about that. And when you pull it out, now you can see the whole amplifier over there. I'll show you later on. A silver one. First you need to disconnect there are 2 sockets. You just remove these 2 sockets, disconnect them, and connect them to your replacement amplifier. And then you can start the engine to check if the noise come back. If it doesn't come back, that means that one is gone. You need to replace with the new one. If you still have the noise, oh, that's bad. You have to return the amplifier. So to replace the amplifier, what I did is pretty simple. You don't need any other additional tools. All you need is this one. I think it's a 316 drive, and this socket. I think it's 10 millimeter. Wait. Yeah, it's 10 millimeter. You need a deep one, not a shallow one. And just put them together. Now you can work on that. There are 3 bolts, 2 in the bottom. Remove these 2, but you need to disconnect the wire first. And there's a one on the top. It's around this area. You need to tuck it in, and just move like this. You don't need an extension like this one. I got it from Home Depot, but it turned out it didn't help at all. All you need are these 2. But you just need some work. You need to tuck your hand in there, and just not to fully remove the bolt. Just loosen it, and you can remove the amplifier. And there's a black box, which is the wear box. Stick to the amplifier, but that one is easy to remove. All you need to do, there's a clip, 2 clips, one on the bottom, one on the top. You need to pull it outside the pry, and just pull it out. It's easy. I mean, I don't have any mechanic skills. It took me, 3 hours in total, including the round trip to Home Depot. I believe if you have these 2, and you can easily do a replacement in 2 hours. So here is the bad amplifier that I removed from the TL. 2 bolts underneath. These 2 bolts, they are pretty easy to remove. This one, you have to go deeper and loosen that bolt. You don't need to fully remove the bolt, but you just loosen it up enough so you can just pull it back and remove the whole amplifier. Yeah, this one is a little bit tough because you need some patience. You need to make the socket fully attached to the bolt, and then you can loosen it up. Right, there's also, you see these 2 I don't know how to call it, latches. The wear box, they're black plastic wear box. Just go the full in with these 2 latches. To remove it, I don't have it in hand, but you just there's a like clip. You just pull it outside, not to press it. Pull it outside, and you can use your finger to pull it out. Pull one side out and the other one. They are pretty to remove and reinstall onto the new one. Thanks for watching.